Hi guys, welcome to the class. Um, so in the before classes, we have learned these three things. We have learned classification of numbers. We have learned how to plot numbers on a number line. And we have learned something about fractions. Not too much, அவ்வளோலாம் படிக்கல, but something. கொஞ்சமா படிச்சோம். Numerator என்ன, denominator என்ன, fraction என்ன, அவ்வளோ படிச்சோம். ஓகேவா? addition of like fraction ஒரே denominator இருந்தா எப்படி add பண்ணும் எப்படி subtract பண்ணணும்னு படிச்சோம். அது மூணும் நம்ம படிச்சோம். Okay, now let's get deep into fractions. Okay, yes, now today I'm going to teach you how to simplify fractions. Okay ma'am, simplify fractions enna ma'am, we are going to learn that. Okay, now guys, we know this, you guys know this. If there is a hole, think this is a chocolate bar. And the chocolate bar correct half la split panna, if I take the green part, what is my fraction? 1/2. Everyone knows this. Okay, yes. Now, so if you see the first diagram and the second diagram, both are the same chocolate bar. Okay, in the chocolate bar la I have divided into 6 parts. 6 parts are divided panni 3 parts I took it. Okay, second chocolate bar la 2 parts are divided panni 1 part I took it. But if you see, the green color shaded area is equal. La na 6 டிவைட் பண்ணி 3 பார்ட் எடுத்தாலும் 2 டிவைட் பண்ணி ஒரு பார்ட் எடுத்தாலும் ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதே சேம் டயக்ராம் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் காமிச்சேன். அந்த டயக்ராம்லயும் இட் வாஸ் சேம் சாக்லேட் பார், பட் இன் தட் ஐ டிவைடட் இன்டு 2 பார்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஐ டுக் 1. பட் ஹியர் ஐ எம் டிவைடட் இன்டு 6 பார்ட் and I am taking 3, but still the quantity of how much I am taking is the same. I will explain you with your favorite pizza diagram. The first pizza pathina, I ate 1/2 of it. On the full pizza 2 cut pani or half pizza na eduthu saaptiten. So in that only 1 is remaining, which is 1/2. Now if you see the second pizza, na the pizza 4 divide panna. I divided the whole pizza into 4. Okay va? And I took 2 pieces from it and I ate it off. How much is left? 2 pieces of 4 is left. First to second to pathina, same amount of pizza is left. That means inga 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Yeah, did you understand this? Na 2 cut panni 1 eduthalum, na 4 cut panni 2 eduthalum same. Okay va? So 1/2 is equal to 2/4. So in the example la pathina, in the 3/6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the 1 2 3 irukala are the same as the half. So in the 3/6 is actually equal to 1/2. Yeah, okay guys, ipo till now you saw like in visual terms how it is done. இப்போ நம்ம mathematically prove பண்ண போறோம் எப்படி அந்த 3/6 was equal to 1/2. Okay, for that you have to know something called factoring. Okay va? Okay guys, now I am going to take a number 6. Okay, I'm going to take a number 6 and எந்தெந்த number நான் 6 ஓட divide பண்ணா remainder 0 வரணும். What should be the remainder? 0. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try with 1. I'm gonna try dividing 1/6. 1, I'm writing here. I'm writing 6 here. Let's divide it. 1 6 is 6. So I got a remainder 0. Yes. So I will write that 1 is a factor of 6. Okay, next let's take 2. Now I am going to divide 2/6. 2 3s are 6. Yes, so I have got a remainder 0. So I am going to write that 2 is also a factor of 6. Next, I am going to take is 3. Okay, so 3 I am dividing by 6. 3 2s are 6 and then 0. Yes, I got the denominator 0. So number 3 is also a factor of 6. Next, I'm going to say number 4. 4 na 6 oda divide panna poren. Does 6 come in 4 table? No. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So I can only put 4 1s are 4 and the remainder is 2. Right? So this is not possible. So 4 cannot be a factor of 6. Okay. Next, let's take 5. I'm dividing 5 by 6. 5 table is 6 Varma? No, it cannot come. 5 1s are 5. And I am getting the denominator as 1. So this also cannot be a factor of 6. Only when the denominator is 0, I can call it a factor. When the denominator is not 0, I cannot call it a factor. 4 is not a factor. 5 is not a factor. Now the last number, which is 6. 6 divided by 6. Yes, 6 can be divided by 1, right? So 6 1s are 6 and the remainder is 0. So yes, 6 is also a factor of 6. Done. All of you has understood. Now guys, I want you guys to try it out for different numbers. Pause the video and try it out. The factors of 12, the factors of 10, yeah, the factors of 20. Can you write the factors of all three numbers? Please write it, take a picture and send it to me. Pause the video right here. Okay guys, I hope all of you have written the factors of 20, 10, 12, 10 and 20. I will check it when you send the photo to me. Okay, great. Okay guys, now we will see how using factoring did we simplify the fraction. Our aim was to see how 3 by 6 was equal to 1 by 2. We wanted to see how 3 by 6 was equal to 1 by 2, right? All right. Now, I'm going to use these factors, okay? So, I'm going to write what are the factors of 3. Great. Yes, 1 is a factor of 3. And 3 is a factor of 3, right? That's amazing. Now, just like the numerator, what all can you use from this 6 order factors? What all can you use in the denominator that can match something to the numerator? Now, numerator la in the 3 irukala, in the 3 in the 6 order factors li edu match aadunu paakanum. So number 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6 alla. So adoda factors நம்ம எழுதிட்டோம். So நம்ம இத cancel பண்ணா what do we get? 1 by 2. Yeah. Okay guys, from the before example, some people might have understood, some people might not have understood. So I am going to take another example and let me explain it. Okay. Now, very simple example na edukka poren. But before that, let me remind you about something. Someone asked me a doubt in class, ma'am, மேலையும் கீழையும் ஒரே நம்பர் வந்தா என்ன ஆகும் ma'am? So you remember the pizza example? I divided the pizza into 4 parts and all the 4 parts are with me only. I ate all the 4 parts. Then what will happen? The whole thing I ate. And so I told you that 4 by 4 is 1. You can cancel out 4s and you can just write it as 1. Did you get reminded of that? Please remember this point, guys. I want you guys to note it down. When numerator and denominator is same, the result is 1. Okay, I will write here numerator. When numerator is equal to the denominator, then the answer is equal to 1. Understood? Yeah, great. Now let's do simplification. What we just saw. Now I want to write 2 by 4. Now I want to simplify 2 divided by 4. Great. Okay, guys. I have to write 2 order factors. What if I multiply? Will I get 2? 1 into 2 if I multiply, I will get 2. Great. Now எழுதிட்டேன். Cool. Now we have 4, right? In the 4 what we thought are the factors? 4 oda factors வந்துட்டு 1 இருக்கு, 2 இருக்கு, அப்புறம் 4 இருக்கு, right? 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is also 4. Okay ba? So either factors. So either in the 1 into 4 நான் போய் இங்க டினாமினேட்டர்ல போட்டா எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே யூஸ் இல்ல, ஒண்ணுமே கேன்சல் ஆகாது. சேம் நம்பர்ஸ் வரணும் கேன்சல் ஆகிறதுக்கு. So I will take 2 into 2 and I will write here. So 2 into 2 I will write here. So இப்போ ஒரு ரெண்டு fractions வந்த மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல, ஒரு 1 by 2 இருக்கு, ஒரு 2 by 2 இருக்கு. We know what 2 by 2 is. I will cancel it out and it is nothing but 1. So the answer is 1 by 2. I hope everyone has understood.